What is up, Keeper Gang? Today, me, Big Boy, and Bobby. We're playing some animal. Wait, what is this game again?
Constipated.
Animal Company goes up to 2, bro.
Yeah, let's get into it.
Come on, Domino's, amigo. We should have put this on no PvP.
Whoa. Yeah.
That just means I got shit, you guys.
I repeat, boys.
Bobby, you're on the hunt list. You're on the hunt list.
Damn it.
So, we need a flashlight.
chicken.
I'll be right back.
Wait, no, we don't. Angler's down there. I'm pretty sure it's Angler's still down there.
Arr, there's an ugly chicken. He said his name's Bobby.
Hey, do not kill that thing. You'll lose all your gear.
I don't have
And
anything.
I only got you 1 revolver.
It has no ammo.
Batootie.
Yes! I have one in my backpack that has ammo in it, but it ain't for sale.
Give me it. I need for content.
Yeah.
Man.
Hell no!
Boys, let's
Are
go
you
over
guys
here.
coming?
Boys,
Yeah, we coming.
y'all coming. But, okay, where y'all at, boys? Where did y'all go? Peeps and poops, where are you? Yeah, over that. Where are y'all, boys? I'm gonna go kill this chicken then.
Bobby, you're not even here.
Where are
Oh, yeah,
y'all?
I was waiting for KB. I was just waiting for KB.
Oh, chicken.
Cube, fucking follow us.
We.
I got you.
I got scared.
Angler's down. Cube,
What's this?
everybody, do not run. Do not run. Oh, now you can. Now you can run.
Oh, I got shot.
I thought big back. Bobby, I thought you were big back for a second.
Can I get one of those experimenty things? I need
Like the
content.
ray gun, I can buy one for you. I can buy one for you.
I'm feeling
KB, put your damn flashlight on.
I don't have a flashlight. Oh, there.
Follow Big Boy. Follow Big Boy, then, alright? You big back.
Give me flashlight.
Big back.
Bobby, can I get one of those blue things? You know,
Dude,
I
I'll
need
just buy one for you. I'll just buy one for you.
coming.
Yes, I am. I'm one of the opening doors.
I'm slow. Where'd you're so scary.
Maybe.
I'm dying. There should be. I'm going to die because of you.
No, come over here. Just run past her.
I'm scared of her. She's scared.
Yeah, where? where are
We're just
you?
going down a hallway. You know, it's very hard to see. I can't even see Big Boy. He's gone. He died. Big Boy died. I'm just kidding. I see him again. Big Boy. Big Boy, I have to tell you something. Shine the light at me. Where'd you... Big Boy. Big Boy.
I found a key.
Eat it.
I just don't know how to get it. Don't touch that. You're on a monitor. You, are you alive?
What happened?
That haunted house right
I see him.
Bobby.
Boys, come back to me. Come back to me. I need content. I see a chicken. I'm finna fight him. This chicken ain't got nothing on me.
His house, come on.
Shut up, you slow monkey. Hey, you got anything for me?
Where's Bobby at?
I don't know, I died. You got any?
Answer me or
What?
bro. We have the key. Come to haunted house.
Hey, Big Boy, you should
You guys
give me
found
like,
the key?
you should like give me like a
Yes!
for content. You should give me like an item for content. Give me an item for
I'm
content.
sorry, my game.
Monkey, literally, you monkey. Give me some tools. I need tools for content. Give me
Let's
your.
put it in. We have to get KB some stuff. We have to get Cube some stuff. I sure.
Hold up, I'm coming, boys.
No! Ah! Book it! Help me! Someone help me!
Ah, my cord's stuck. Hold up.
Is.
Boys, protect me.
We can't leave the YouTuber behind.
Ah, boys, I can't run. Boys, do I jump in this very suspicious pit? Do I jump in this pit? I don't care. Ah.
Hey, Nina. Yes, we're right here. Okay, we're good. Should we collect everything for the money?
Oh shoot!
No, guys.
I almost died. Did I just gaga? Bobby,
Cube,
I
I'm
think
gonna
I
put
did
this in.
poop.
I'm gonna put this in your back. No, wait, put your backpack. I'm gonna put this one in.
I think I'm pooping.
Yeah, you take a tiny bit of damage. You take a tiny bit of damage.
It feels more like poo. Wait, so we jump down?
Yeah.
Oh, it's slow. Oh, I'm tripping.
Watch the
Scoot.
tape.
Do we jump down? Bobby, do we jump down on this one? No, I'm gonna do my ult.
Oh, cute. Wait, him. Wait. Take me. I can buy you something real quick. Here, I just need to shoot this. For some reason, it is out super there. Cube, I'm gonna buy you a ray gun. Okay, here, do you want mine? Do you want mine? Do you want
I don't
mine?
want a ray gun. A couple.
Okay, so here, I'm gonna tell you how to use it. It's widest. It's like widest between modes. This is for non-movement. Blue is for movement. Okay. So take mine. Take mine. Take mine. Take mine.
Where'd you throw that? Okay, so
I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna buy it. Let's go.
this one's for movement, and then the other one's not for movement.
Yeah.
Bobby, where do I go?
My name is Jessica. I like eating pumpkin.
I repeat, I am stuck. I repeat, I'm glitched outside the map. I repeat, I'm falling outside the map.
Where are you guys?
I'm currently falling outside the map. Yeah. I need.
Thank
Big
you
boy,
for
I need-
sunshine.
I need one of those. You need to buy one of those for more content.
No.
Cube, post a lot more. Damn.
Over here.
I need a new thing, Bobby. Can I
There's
get
no
a new one,
space.
Bobby? Can I get a new one?
Dog.
Bobby, this one fell out of Bobby's backpack. Cube.
Bobby,
What
you
did
want
you-
a new?
Cube,
You
this
want
fell
a
out
new
of Bobby's backpack. Take the thing.
Oh.
This fell out of Bobby's backpack.
That. Cube, post a lot more, dude. Post a lot, goddamn more. Tim.
Guys, I am the king of the castle.
Wait, should we play football? Should we play football?
Should we play what?
Guys, come on, come to the selling machine.
Big boy, do you want to play football for fun?
No. KB, what about I straighten the concrete to the selling machine?
Mr. Chicken's cooked.
I don't need to.
Mr. Chicken.
Come back! Should we say our line? Should we say our line? What's our... To infinity and white people be...
Die, Mr. Chicken. Boys, where am I?
What the hell are you doing?
Nothing. Where are y'all?
Dude, I'm gonna spawn.
Oh, come on. I need content.
I'm coming. Literally, like, I'm coming.
know that.
Oh, come in the seat. Let's go kill Rock Monster. No, I don't have the ammo.
Dude. No.
Yeah.
No.
Oh shoot.
No.
Boys, can I get some help? Wait. Freak. Boys, my lack of brain cells may have got a little predicament. Can I get someone's help? Hey, boys, I need one of y'all. Hey, can somebody... Big boy, I need your help.
I don't have your ray gun.
You just put it in my backpack. I dropped it for a second. Keep going.
Boys.
Keep going, motherfucker. That's
These are
mine.
my ray guns. These are my ray guns. I
Hey.
only have one.
No,
Hey,
dude.
can I get some help?
You're
Can I
seeing
get
your
some help,
backpack.
boys?
Give me it back. Give me it.
KB, that's
Give me
mine.
it.
That's mine, dude.
backpack.
Bro,
Okay.
stop stealing all my stuff.
Yeah, I'm dropping it. I just want to do something here. Let me do something with the revolver.
No.
No, it's
Bro,
funny.
don't watch it. Don't watch it. Don't watch it.
KB, this is the police. Put your
Okay.
hands in the air. This is the police.
Bro, don't drop my pumpkin. Drop my pumpkin. Actually,
Drop the pumpkin. Drop the pumpkin, sir. This is. I have a revolver. I'm not afraid to use it.
I need to get something. I'll give you back this little grappy thing. I need to get... My grappy thing got stuck.
Cube, give me my ray.
That one is mine.
Here.
Give
Here.
me my ray gun.
Yeah.
I lost
Give me
mine.
the other
I
one.
had to take it. No, this one's mine. I had to take it. And grab
Mine?
with it.
That's
Bro,
mine,
give me
dude.
it. That's not mine. That's not yours. That's not yours.
Okay, let's just stop fucking.
Did he die? Safe zone protection disabled. What does that mean?
I didn't know who killed me.
What happened? What happened?
What if you guys killed me?
That was me. I had the loaded shotgun. Keep the
Bruh! Okay, Cube, at least I'm not a new. I was literally about to drop it. I was legit about to drop it, actually.
Well, you're taking too long. It's stage 10, yeah.
Come on, boys. Let's go. Let's go, boys.
Fuck it.
I bet.
But fine, if we're gonna kill Rock Monster, big boy, you need to buy ammo for killing Rock Monster.
Ready, boys? Let's go.
Wait, is anyone's game bugging right now?
You're in the air. I'm not begging.
On my screen, you're frozen. Like,
On my screen, you're frozen too. Wait. Up and everything's gone. Like my parents.
hi, mister.
Poke. I got no more fish. Yeah. Future Kibber here. Just wanted to say, if you like this video, hope you like, subscribe. Thank you.